Hello, my name is Amin Faisal, and I'm going to be showing you how to some of the tools that can be used in the 3D modeling to improve the output or maybe even create a different type of output. So in this case, I'm using the SOFA model that I've used just now to show how to use um, the Boolean modifier tool to create this specific object. And so now, but you can see here, it's not very realistic looking because this edges are very sharp and we don't like that in our sofa. So what we're going to do is I'm going to hit tab and I'm going to switch over to the edit mode. And I'm going to select the vertices view or the edges, sorry, and I'm going to select this edge. And now I'm going to use the tool known as the bevel tool, which can be used to create edges, smooth out connections between different types of objects, and so on. And so in this case, I can either hit Control B or use from this side view here. I can use from these options. This will be my bevel tool. I'm going to go right ahead and do that. I'm going to click Control B, and I'm going to pull until I'm satisfied with the curve. As you can see here, this looks nice now. It looks a lot better. And now another important detail is the number of segments. Now, depending on the number of segments added, the smoother the look of the curve will be. As you can see, this is one segment, and I want it, but that's not really the look I'm going for. So I'm going to increase the number of segments, and I think 15 looks really nice, and it looks very natural. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same for this edge right here, and I'm going to hit Control B, and I'm going to do that and try to get the same. And there we go. Now, if I switch back to object view, you can see now it has a lot smoother and it looks a lot more natural. And this looks a lot better for the sofa that I'm trying to achieve. Now, I'm going to try to use another tool that is known as the extrude tool to create or to enhance this sofa even more, to enhance my model. And so right now we use the bevel tool to make it look more natural, add that curve to the armchairs of the sofa. And so we're going to go ahead and click um, the tab and go into edit mode again. Now I want this section to move forward, to be pulled out forward, so that I can create that L-shaped uh, sofa that I want, right? Because they're more luxurious and more comfortable. So what I'm going to do is first, I need to, because depending on your shape, for my shape here, I have not really highlighted a specific area. So I'm going to press my shortcut key K, and I'm going to get the knife tool, which will help me cut out exactly the parts that I need. I'm going to highlight this part over here, like this, and then I'm going to hit enter when I'm done selecting. And I'm going to get the key again over here. I'm going to go here, select this. I'm going to go to the back and select this part. Then I want to isolate a specific part. Hit enter. And now you can see I've made the selection. And now I'm going to press my knife key again. So K to bring out the knife. And I'm just going to select this part of the sofa. I'm going to make a selection over here like this. And there we go. Now I have highlighted the parts of my sofa that I want to be cut out. And now I can just do this. And once I select a face here, go into the face view, and I can select the number of faces that I want. And using the extrude tool, which you can see over here, or if you press the short key or E, you can highlight. So I want to highlight this face as well as this area that we just did. And I'm going to hit my E key and I'm going to pull forward like this. And now I'm extruding at a normal. You can choose to extrude in any direction you want, like this, like so. However, for my case, I want to do it like this. And now this looks a little bit better. And I want to also extrude this particular face. So I'm going to go right here, highlight it, and hit my E key, and I'm going to get it over here. And as you can see, if we switch back to the object mode, you can see that we have created our sofa using the extrude and the bevel tools. You can see that just these tools can help us manipulate uh, our 3D models a lot better and create want. And thank you very much. That is all for the 3D modeling tools basics. And that will be all for